Or not. Hey guys, so we are on our way over to my sister's house so that Mike can go dirt bike riding. Tanner was supposed to come, but he's sick. Yesterday after doing that 3-point turn, his throat hurts, he's got fever, he's not feeling good, so Ty stayed home with him. But Mike went to Best Buy, got stuff for the GoPro and his helmet, so...
All good. First time to ride with the GoPro, so I'm excited to show the footage with you guys and show how crappy I do on a bike. It'll be fun.
You might even go out there and tear it up.
I know, it does suck though, because I really wanted Tanner to come along with us, and I know he's kind of bummed out as well, but when you're sick, you lose out.
Yeah.
I didn't lose out. I'm still going.
I know. That's all right. Maybe tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night? Yeah, possibly take him out tomorrow night, yeah, if he's feeling better, yeah. Do it after he gets out of school.
Yep. So that's what we're doing. Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day without the kids.
Without the boys.
KG, when I say,
Did you figure out what you're gonna do?
Yeah, check it out. I'm gonna do a side one.
Oh.
Like that.
I didn't see that.
And then I'm gonna put another one up here. So you can get two different views. They say that you can put one actually underneath here too, but
when I asked you for my hair back, I want it like this.
I haven't figured that out yet.
I thought that's where you wanted to put it.
I do want to put it under here eventually. I think for now, just for me to learn how to use it and everything. Mm-hmm. One on top, one on the side.
Okay. Cool. It'll be fun.
Yep.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Don't crash, Michael.
Yeah, right.
You got some wound marks, Mike?
First one.
First of many?
Not first of many, probably, right?
It's from the it's from the polyester. The shirt. It's nothing else.
Whew. Yeah, my ankle's
It's
killing
like a
me.
baseball slide. It's like getting a polyester burn.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Put some ice on
I
it?
think so.
Oh well. Did the GoPro work?
I think so. We'll see if we got to finish. You'll see me going like this.
That's what we said.
And then did you scream, Mark? Come
I
help
had to
me.
get me. My phone, I can't get
He's
up.
all spitting out sand.
Oh man.
Yeah, there you go. You got it?
Yeah. felt good. I forgot to put my chin strap on. Yeah, I twisted my ankle. It's hard to go up. Huh? Yeah. I'll follow you.
Alright, we're home, but Mike needs help from Tanner because... What's wrong, Mike?
My ankle?
Is it bad?
It hurts, but I don't think it's real bad. An experience, I guess, is what it is, you know. It's gonna happen, though.
First of many?
Can't wait to get back on it again, though. Let it heal up and take it back out.
Still sick,
I'll
Tanner?
be out.
You feel good? Alright, we're home, but Mike needs help from Tanner because... What's wrong, Mike?
My ankle?
Is it bad?
It hurts, but I don't think it's real bad. An experience, I guess, is what it is, you know. It's gonna happen, though.
First of many?
Can't wait to get back on it again, though. Let it heal up and take it back out.
Still sick,
I'll
Tanner?
be out.
You feel good?
Got it? See what's going on. There you go. Let it go. Straighten out the way. There you go. Good job.
You think you'll be able to ride tomorrow?
Me? No.
No. Poor guy. I can't believe how bad it's hurting you.
Yeah.
It's swollen too.
You see it?
Oh, not good. Oh, we'll ice it, put it up, get a
Yeah.
couple Bud Lights in you.
That'll definitely help. Good times though. It's fun.
Yeah.
I wish
Little-
you could have went.
That spot that you guys went to,
Uh-huh.
it's perfect. It's right behind their house.
Yeah,
so.
there's a lot of different things that were on there. They had whoopie-doos, whoopie-doo-doo-doos, and they also had some berms, and they had some flat areas for like where I should have been.
Yeah.
And some washes with sand and stuff like that. So it's a lot different from going dirt to sand. You can totally tell the difference. But it was fun until it happened.
Till you fell.
Yeah, until I fell. But I'm okay. Could have been worse. So,
Yeah. Like I said, I think that's first of many.
all right.
It'll happen
Fall down,
again.
get right back up, and do it again.
Go again.
Well, today was awesome. I hope you enjoyed the video and the GoPro video for the first time. It's kind of neat to play back and watch exactly how I'm riding and stuff like that. There's a lot to learn. I know that because I fell in those rocks as you saw in the video. So, but yeah, it was exciting, fun, and I can't wait to get back out there and do it again. Hopefully my ankle heals quick, but it's pretty swollen right now. Hopefully there's no fracture or anything, but I'm sure I'm gonna have a few more bumps and scrapes and bruises and stuff like that. It's just part of it. But yeah, it's gonna end the vlog. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and look for the eyes in the sky for more awesome videos. Peace.